The objective of this lesson is to understand the left and right formulas in Excel, and those formulas basically will allow you to pick a certain number of characters from an input, either starting from the left side of the text or from the right side of the text. So let's take an example to understand this better. Here I have a number. It could be a text also, but I just put a number so it's easier for you to look at it. And I want to pick up the first two characters from the left and the first two characters from the right. So 1, 2, and 5, 6. So I'm going to do equal left, as simple as that. I select my text and then I select my number of characters. And again, instead of selecting a text, you can give it a text. You can just write in double quotation the text that you want, and then you can select the number of characters. So I'm going to close the parentheses, and as you see, I get the first two characters. Now on the right side, if I do right, and then I select my text, and then the number of characters, I close the parentheses, enter, you will get 5 and 6. Now, if I drag those formulas down, so basically it will just select the data below, you can see that if you change the number of characters, you will get 1, 2, 3, and then 4, 5, 6 here. And it's the same for a text. I'm just going to show you one example. If I have A, B, C, D, E, F, and then I want to select the first two characters. Again, if I drag this formula, it will select A, B, and E, F. Now you will tell me that what if I want to select characters in the middle? So for this, you have to look at my lesson on the mid formula, and I'm going to put a link in the description.